Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes for the students to join the class.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I
Hmm.
get a sum of multiplication that we had done yesterday?
Okay, we'll do practice till that. Just tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 77 multiplied by 88.
77 multiplied by 88. Okay. When we do 8 sevens are
Is 56.
56.
5 up and 6 down. Then
Hmm.
we again do 7 8 the 56 plus 5 is equal to 61.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, no. This Prayag is giving one practice sum.
And we will do the automatic 0.
This is not automatic zero.
But
This
I
is
call
your
it automatic.
okay. Means you are multiplying with 80. So instead of multiplying with 80, you have directly written the zero, and now you will multiply with the 8.
Yes,
8
ma'am. But
sevens are.
again,
This we will cross. 8 sevens are
again 7 8
56.
7 56.
And then again 7 8 the 56 plus 5,
61.
61. And now what you will do the next step? Add.
Addition. So answer is 6776.
Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, we have to write this now.
No, no, no.
Okay, ma'am.
This is one sum Prayag is giving me. You children are not joining on time. No, that's the reason we were waiting for you all. And he has given me one practice sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Every day, this is a habit with the grade 4A that they are not joining on time. Still, also, you can see that 13 students only. And the time is already started. Which class was there before my class?
Ma'am, music.
Music.
Sir has left you on time only, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, why you children are not joining on time, students?
Ma'am,
I have
there
put
are
the
only
message.
12 students because
Yeah,
one is you.
that's the reason. No, I have to put a message in the classroom, then only everyone will come.
Yeah, ma'am.
Let's see how many will come. So, by the time students take out your notebook, revision notebook, which tables we have written in the revision notebook? I
12
will
and
ask you.
13. 12 and 13.
12 and 13.
Take out the revision
12
notebook and write the table of 14 and 15.
I'm on the same page because I have space. That's
Yeah, you can write. Table
Yeah,
of
ma'am. Me
14
too.
and 15. Please write it in your revision notebook. Course, you don't know the class timing. I have to put the reminder. Then you have to join Bhakti. You don't know the class timings. Kush and Bhakti, both of you.
ma'am, I was joining, but some internet issue, that's why I joined late.
I don't want to listen this common words. Kavisha, you don't know the class timings, bacha? When the teacher has to put the reminder message, then only you will see the timings and join the class. From tomorrow also, I will also do like this only.
Ma'am, I was not able to join because I am
This is
out
a
of
common
station.
problem with net issue. I don't want to listen. This common problem, I don't want to listen.
Ma'am, I am out of station. That's why.
But every day, this is not the problem you are facing. Today, you are facing this problem of net issue.
Yes, ma'am, because all the classes I've done with hotspot, so the
Okay.
hotspot is finished. That's why.
Mir Virani, why you are late in the class? Janya, why you are late in the class? Turn on your camera, please. Kiana, why you are late in the class? Janya, Kiana, and Mir Virani, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, actually, I was in the washroom, that's why.
You got the break now, 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what with that break? You on the class and then go.
Okay, ma'am.
If something happened like this in the class. Yes, Mir Virani. What is the reason why you are late in the class?
Ma'am, because of the one print I have to type.
My dear, next time these excuses I'm not going to listen. I will put your names, the late students, those who are coming in the class. I'm going to put it in their names in the classroom. Janya, can you tell me why you are late in the class? 5 minutes already passed.
Doctor.
Students, please join your class on time. Varija, turn on your camera, please. Mohammad Patel, turn on your camera. Why you are late in the class today? 5 minutes late. You children have wasted your 5 minutes this way only. Mohammed, stay in the class. I want to talk to you. Write the
Excuse me,
tables in
ma'am.
your revision notebook. Yes, you.
Ma'am, from next Monday, our schools are opening, no?
My dear, we will send you the message. Even we don't know, we will send you the message.
Okay, ma'am, because the form has come.
It is come. What message has come to you?
No, the
Ma'am,
form
principal has sent the mail.
What is written in that?
means that they have given the form that like
Okay,
the
optional
student
or
name, admission number, and go to offline or online. That
okay. Yeah, we are doing that thing first, and then we take the decision, and we'll let you know. Okay. Table of 14 and 15. So first write 14 ones are. Write it in the revision
14,
notebook, students. 14
14,
twos are.
28,
28.
14 threes are.
42.
Please, yes, please give me answer, everyone.
Ma'am, 42,
42.
14 fours are.
56,
56.
56.
14 fives are.
70,
Ma'am, 70.
14 6. Please write lengthwise. I don't have a space, so I'm writing in this way. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. 14 6 are.
84. 84.
14 sevens are.
98. 98.
14 eights are.
112.
112,
112. 14 nines are.
126,
126. 126.
14 tens are.
140.
140.
140.
Again, can we repeat? 14
Yes,
ones
ma'am.
are.
14,
14.
14 twos are.
28.
14 threes are.
42.
14 fours are.
56,
56.
14 fives are.
70,
70.
14 sixes are.
84.
84.
14 sevens are.
98.
98.
14 eights are.
112.
102 nahi, 112.
112.
14 nines are.
100.
126.
14 tens are.
140.
140.
Yes, please write it in your notebooks. Then we move to the table of 15.
Ma'am,
Dhir,
15 done.
Dhir, you are late in my class. Dhirg, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, there was
You are-
no network connection, that's why.
Tomorrow, children, if I will listen this same sentence from everyone, those who are coming late, I will also join 10 minutes late. Be ready for listen this question from my side.
25.
That due to network issue, sorry students, I am late in the class. Will you able to accept that thing, my dear students? No.
Yeah, no.
Not a single day you will accept that ma'am has joined late. Why? And I'm taking the classes from last 2 years. It is going to be completed. I always join 10 minutes before, so not to make you to disturb.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, a table of 15 completed.
Very good. Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Me too.
Mine also.
Good. Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes. 15 ones are,
15.
15 twos are,
30.
30.
15 threes are,
45.
15 fours are,
60.
60.
15 fives are.
75.
75.
Kiana, are you writing in your notebook? Oh, sorry, not Kiana. Janya, are you writing in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
15 six are.
90.
90. 90.
Dear, please write in your notebooks. I request everyone to write in the notebooks. 15 sevens are.
105.
105. 15 eights are.
120.
15 nines are.
135.
15 tens are.
150.
150.
Please complete this. And
Done,
then
ma'am.
move to the next.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
math
Yes,
notebook.
ma'am.
Now take out your maths notebook, everyone. Open your maths classwork notebook. Here, where are you? You're not visible to me. Here, Patel. You're not visible to me, please. Yes, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Bacha.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my camera is not working. When I am owning that, it is coming black.
Okay.
Full
No
screen.
problem. Just check the camera after the class. Now pay attention.
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
I am visible to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So table of 14 and table of 15 we have done in the revision notebook. Meer Vinani, stop doing this, whatever you are doing right now. Now we move to the multiplication sum. As you know that we have already done 2-digit multiplier and 2-digit multiplicand, and we have finded the product. Now we move to the 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier. So take out your notebooks, everyone, and start writing what I will write here on the board. Multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Write this heading and start doing this multiplication sums.
Ma'am,
Question 1.
I can only write multiplication of 3
Why?
because there is not enough space.
Go to the next line. Multiplication of a like this 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Question 1. Multiply. Sum number 1. 328 multiplied by 314. You can see here the multiplicand. Please write multiplicand and multiplier with each sum. Multiplier. Now first we start with the 4 ones, and 4 ones will be multiplied with the all the numbers given on the multiplicand. Yes, someone was saying me, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Prayag.
Yes, Priya.
After this sum, we can make our own sum.
Yeah, you can make your own sums also, and few sums I will give you on the board also. You can do. Just learn the concept. What is the concept? You can take your own digits also. 4 eights are. 4 eights are will be, what is 4 eights are, students?
32.
32.
32.
3 will be up and 2 will be down. 4 twos are
8.
8 plus 3 is equal to 11.
11. 1 will be up and 1 will be down. 4 threes are
16 plus 1 is
16
equal to
plus 1, 17.
4 threes are 16.
13, ma'am.
12.
Ma'am, 12.
12
plus
plus 1,
1,
13.
12 plus 1, 13.
Now, when you read this number, this is 314. 3 hundreds 110 and 4 ones. And you have multiplied with the 4 ones all the numbers. Now you are going to multiply the number with 110. And not 1, it is a 110. 110 means number 10. And when you are multiplying any number with the 10, this is 300. I'm writing this, you please don't write because this is the rough work. So 4 से आप multiply, mute yourself, someone is speaking. You have already done with the 4. Now you are going to multiply it with the 10. As you all know, when you multiply any number with the 10, means you are going to multiply 328 with the 10. 328 ones are 328 and 0 will come of the multiplier. So instead of doing this in a long method, you directly know that when it is being multiplied by 10, 0 will come. Now it is going to multiply by 1. 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, and 1 3s are 3. This is the reason the same answer is coming. Any doubt? Mute yourself, Yug. Any doubt to any child this step?
No, ma'am.
No? Now,
Ma'am, I
to the
doubt.
300. Yes, Ahana?
Ma'am, so 1 is 10.
1 is 110 and 110 means 10. 210 means 20. 3 tens means 30. So this is 110 because it is under the tens place. Ones, tens, hundreds. And when you are multiplying any number with the tens place, it is means you are multiplying with the 10. And when you are multiplying any number with the 10, the multiplier value of 0 will come at the back. This is the reason why we are writing 0 here first. And then we proceed to start multiplying by 1. Same goes to the 3. This is not only a 3, this is a 300. So when you multiply any number with a 300, 300 is having 2 zeros. So 2 zeros will come first and then you multiply with the 3. Am I clear? I am erasing this heading because when I put the carryovers, you will not able to see. That's the reason I am putting this. So now 3 8s are, I will erase these carryovers also to not make myself confused. 3 8s are
24.
will be here and the 4 will be here. 3 2s are 6 plus 7 8.
But ma'am,
3 3s are 9.
9.
When you add this 2, 9,
9,
4, 5,
9,
6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10,
2,
11, 12, and 10.
10.
So 1 lakh
1,02,000.
2,992.
Ma'am,
The answer is 1 lakh 2,992. This is your product.
Ma'am, what is after that? 300 plus 10 plus.
This is just I have written the rough work. This you don't need to
ma'am,
write.
commas.
This is the one method
Ma'am,
I have
commas.
explained you. Comma you need to put in the answer.
Yes, ma'am, there are 2 commas in this.
Yeah, in the answer you have to put the commas. Okay, can Priyag give me one sum of 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier?
What is the answer? I cannot
What is
see.
your answer coming after the multiplication, Deep? Don't try to copy the answer.
Ma'am,
it.
14,402.
Wrong. How it is 14,000, bacha? Are you doing the same way the way I am teaching you?
ma'am,
Do it again, Deep. Cut this and do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't try to copy from the board. Learn the concept.
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak now?
Ma'am, what's
wait.
the next sum?
Prayag will give me. I'm going to erase it. Please mute yourself.
444.
444 multiply by
555.
555.
And I got the answer.
So 5 4s are
5 4s are 20.
20. Just check the concept, Dirk, and apply the same concept with the previous number. 5 4s are 20. Again 5 4s are 20. Plus 2 22. 5 4s are again 20 plus 2 is
22.
22. Now what will happen? You have to put 1 0 because it is 50, not 5 only. So 50 ki 0 here comes. Now multiply again with the 5. And now remove this or cut these carryovers. 5 4s are
Again 20.
again 20 will be here. Again 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 20.
22.
5 4s are 20 plus 2 again.
22.
Now you are multiplying with 500, not only with 5. So 500 say you are multiplying, so you are going to put 2 zeros. Got it, everyone? And erase this. 5 4s are
5 4
20.
20.
5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22.
22.
So 0, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2. 2,46,420 is the product.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhirg, you got the concept now? Dhirg, you got the concept now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now can I give yog?
Who else has joined right now? The one new child, because attendance is showing 40 or 20 students right now. Let me take the attendance once more.
Ma'am, there are 19 students only. One are
Yeah,
you.
yeah. But
And-
previously it was total 19.
And Kiana left.
Yeah. Let me take the attendance. Kiana is only coming and going today. I don't know why. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now today Varija will give me one sum. Can I erase, students?
Ma'am, after Harija, can I yog?
I will give you chance. Varija, can I do? Give me the sum.
3 plus 2, 5, 6.
Mute yourself.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Mute yourself.
2, 1, 0.
Ma'am,
Please mute yourself. 2692.
excuse me, ma'am, can I say?
Dirk, please mute.
Ma'am, 205.
Wait a minute. Can I erase the board, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell
Turn
to
off your
Dirk
microphone.
to switch off his
Yeah,
microphone.
Dev, please switch off your mic. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Varija.
205 multiplied by 721.
You only give me the answer step by step.
Ma'am, I go for washroom.
Yes, please go.
Ma'am, 5 ones are 5. 1 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 0. 2 fives are 10. 1 carry forward. 2 zeros are 0. Plus 1 1. 2 twos are 4.
Till here I have done correct, students. Till here I have done correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what will come next?
0. 2 0.
Now I will remove this carryovers.
7 fives are 35. 7 zeros are 0. 7 twos are 14.
The 3 will not come. 7 zeros is 0, but the 3 carryover will come, no?
Yeah, ma'am, 3.
7 twos are.
14, ma'am.
Please add the students.
Ma'am, 3 will not come there.
Why?
7 plus 3 is 10.
Huh? 7 5s are 35, no?
Ma'am, you have written
Kavisha?
3 there.
Ma'am, she is saying like the 3 will not come. There's 7 plus 3 is 10
7
in the
plus.
third one.
Are you satisfied, everyone? Just let me check what you are saying.
Yes, ma'am, because 7 zeros are 0 plus 3 is 3 only.
Ha. Kavisha, are you little confused? Let me also check, okay? No problem.
Ma'am,
Yes, my answer is correct.
yeah.
7 zeros are 0, so only 3 will come down, na Kavisha? Any doubt now? Please do this. So what will be the answer? 1,47,805.
1,47,805.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I did not understand.
Ahana,
Can I say the next sum?
you have understood one concept, then all are based on the same concept. फिर इसमें understood का मतलब नहीं है कुछ भी कहाना. Have you understood the previous two sums?
No, ma'am.
शुरू से ही नहीं आया आपको? Then you stay and come in the HRM also will explain you in detail, bacha.
Ma'am, can I give now question?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yeah. No, Mir Virani will give me. Yes. Can I raise students this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mir.
445
Hmm.
multiply by 554.
We start multiplying. Ahana, pay attention here again because the concept is same behind every sum. 4 5
4 5s are 20, so 2 will of the 4 and
4
0.
4s are. Navya, are you getting? Any doubt, Navya, Kiana, Bhakti, here?
4 4s are 16 plus 2 is equal to 18.
Okay. Here, any doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot see you. Your camera is off.
No, bacha. Everyone is able to hear me. Just check your net issue.
Okay, I will leave and rejoin.
4 5s are 20. Then 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18.
Is equal to 18.
4 4s
4
are
4s
16
are
plus 1.
16 plus 1 is 17.
Yes. Now we
Now
are
we will-
multiplying not only with 5, we are multiplying with 50. And
5,
then
50.
0 will come.
Yes.
Now
1
multiply
0.
with 5. And remove this carry over
Yes.
so you not get confused. 5
5
5
5s are 25.
So 2 will be here and the 5 will
Up
be
and
here.
yes.
Then
So 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is equal to 22.
Again 5 4s are
20 plus 2 is equal to
22. Remove these carryovers.
Yes.
Or
Now we
cut
will
the
put 2
carryovers.
0.
Now
Two
2 0
zeros.
because you are multiplying actually with the 500, not only with the 5. 5 5s are
Yes. 5 5s are 25.
2 will be here and the 5 will be
Yes.
here.
Yes.
5
5 4s are 20 plus 2 is
2,
equal to 22.
22. 5 4s are
5 4s are 20 plus 2 is equal to 22.
22. Add
Now
them.
0, 13,
13,
1 will carry
15,
15,
1 2 3 4
5 6,
4
and
2. Put the
2
comma
lakh 46,530.
and this is the product. Please write multiplicand
And a multiplier.
multiplier with each sum.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the sum has the second and fourth are the same. The
Yeah,
sum is
but-
coming.
Okay, sum also. The total is coming same? No.
Yeah, of second and fourth.
No problem.
No, ma'am.
Now listen, students. One thing I wanted to know, it is different. It is different. I know.
By hundreds.
Now listen, students. Children, I am sending you the worksheet based on the multiplication. But sometimes what happens, the sum is big and you don't have enough space in the worksheets. Take the sums and solve it in your notebooks. Don't that depend on the worksheet that only you have to do in the worksheet. No, you can do it in the notebook also. So please take the worksheet is just a guideline for you. Take the sum and do it in your notebook so that you can do it neatly and clearly. Am I clear? Sometimes what happened, this much space is not given to you in the worksheet. Do it in the notebook and solve it and attach your notebook work. Clear everyone? Yes, Priya.
Yes, ma'am. That Neil Virani told na that's it is the difference only.
Yes.
There is a 110 only, and
Okay.
the numbers are exchanged
Yes.
up and
We
down.
have just did the practice, right? Ahana, now you give me the sum and we will clear your doubt. Okay, Ahana?
Okay, ma'am.
Be prepared for the 3-digit multiplication and multiplier. Can I erase the board? Everyone copy it.
Yes, ma'am.
Navya, are you writing in your notebook?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
After Anna does, we can make our own sums.
Yes. Yes. And stay in
Ma'am,
the class.
ma'am,
It is
after Ahana,
compulsory for
can I?
everyone. Wait, wait. Stay in the class. It is compulsory for everyone to stay in the class for HRM. No one will leave the class. I will continue HRM here only. Ahana, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana, give me your digits.
555.
Give me something different.
Okay, ma'am.
555 or give me
Can I
538
say
or
one sum?
642 this way.
Yes, ma'am. 525
525
and multiply by 100 and 110.
I will take 72 because 10 से multiply करना बहुत easy हो जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So Ahana, tell me. Ahana will only tell me. No one will speak in between. Ahana, solve it.
okay, ma'am. 5 to the 10.
So what will come here?
Ma'am, 0. And up carry over 1.
What will be the next step?
Ma'am, it will come down 5. 2 multiplied by 2,
Okay.
4 plus 1, 5.
Yes. Am I right till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what will be the next?
Ma'am, it will be 10.
So I will write 10 together here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will be the next step now? I will remove the carryovers once
Yes,
one
ma'am.
step is done.
Ma'am, you write automatically 1 0 will come.
This is not automatic zero. This is the zero you are multiplying with 70. So when you are multiplying the number with the 70, the zero of 70 is coming. Say these
ma'am.
words. This is not automatic zero. Now what will come?
Ma'am, 35.
So I will write 35.
No,
35. So 3 will go where?
ma'am, up.
Up where? Up to 5
Ma'am.
or to 2?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. So 3 will be here and the 5 will be here. What is the next step?
Ma'am, 7 to the 14. 15, 16, 17. Ma'am, 1 will go up and 7 will come down.
What is the next?
35. Ma'am, 36 both down.
I will remove the carryovers.
Ma'am, 2 0.
Two
Down.
zeros. Now what will come next?
Ma'am, 5 down 5. 35 now. Ma'am, you write 35 now.
Dear, you are multiplying with the 1 now.
Yes.
अब 7 से कर चुके तो 1 5 is 5. Now what will be the
Ma'am, 2.
next?
Ma'am, you write
Yes. What will be the
Five.
next?
5.
5. Add them now. सबके
Yes,
chances
ma'am.
खत्म हो गए. All has multiplied by the numbers, right? Now
0.
count. Hmm.
First 0. 10. Ma'am,
Hmm.
carry 1 0.
Hmm.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ma'am, 1 up and 3 down.
Hmm. Next.
Ma'am, 1 up and 0 down.
Hmm. Next.
Ma'am, 9.
9. And now we will put the comma.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, 9,300. Are you clear now, Ahana, how to complete this?
Ma'am,
Yes,
why
ma'am.
you have put a comma
Yes, ma'am.
before 9? It will
Sorry,
not
sorry,
come.
yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, now 1
Hmm.
can I give?
Complete this, then I move to the next child.
Excuse me, ma'am. You have told me that in the HRM only, previous HRM, I want to spoke about that how was the
Will you participate now in the class?
yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start. Give me 2 minutes for the students to give one more practice sum. You can
We have to
now
write
you
in
can
the notebook.
now you can create your own sums also and practice, students. Okay.
So, ma'am,
You
we have to
run
write it in the notebook.
what?
Some
No, I'm going to send you the worksheet. From my side, 5 sums are practice given to you here. 5 to 6 sums will be given to you in the worksheet today. And
yes,
if
ma'am.
any doubt, do practice. Any doubt, we will carry on or carry forward to the next classes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have written in the revision notebook. It is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. But please write in the next class in the maths notebook only. You will get
Ma'am, there
confused.
is not enough space in
But there are 2 sets of
my
notebooks
half
given.
only